In this video, we listed the 5 best camping table that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Nemo Equipment Table. The Nemo Equipment Outdoor Camp Table is a versatile and durable solution for outdoor enthusiasts, featuring dimensions of 14.57 inch dx 18.9 wx 15.75 h and a maximum weight capacity of 100 pounds. Designed with a smooth and impervious heat-stabilized nylon tabletop, it is built to withstand various weather conditions while remaining easy to clean. The table offers a dual-height design, allowing users to set it up as a low picnic blanket or an elevated side table by deploying the hidden legs. Constructed with high-quality hardware and custom-engineered aluminum hinges, the table ensures long-lasting performance and a sleek aesthetic. Additionally, its aluminum legs come equipped with zinc pole tips for enhanced stability and support, making it an ideal companion for camping and outdoor activities. Weighing just 2.38 kilograms, this portable table is both functional and convenient for any adventure. Number 2. Helinox Table. The Helinox Portable Outdoor Camping Table is a lightweight and highly durable accessory designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Measuring 15 inches deep, 23 inches wide, and 15 inches high, it has a sturdy rectangular hard top that offers ample space for various activities, such as dining or playing cards, and can support up to 110 pounds. Constructed from a proprietary aluminum alloy, the collapsible frame ensures maximum strength while remaining easy to transport, weighing only 2 pounds. The weather-resistant hardtop and zippered carrying case are designed to endure harsh elements and UV exposure, with the case being machine washable for easy maintenance. With a fast setup facilitated by a single internal bungee cord, the table can be assembled in no time and packs down to a compact size of 4x5 by 16.5 inches, making it perfect for travel and camping. The product comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, ensuring quality and customer satisfaction. Number 3. Deluxe Roll Top Table. The Mountain Summit Gear Deluxe Roll Top Kitchen is a lightweight and sturdy camping table designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Measuring 20 inch dx 30 wx 5 h and weighing 12.3 pounds, this rectangular table has a maximum weight recommendation of 13.5 pounds, making it practical for various camping needs. Constructed from weather-resistant aluminum, it is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures while maintaining a sleek silver finish. The table features adjustable legs for easy customization on uneven ground and can be set up in seconds, enhancing its convenience for both long camping trips and quick getaways. Additionally, it comes with a detachable compartment for storage and a carrying case for effortless transport. With dimensions of 56.2 by 18.9 by 31.5 inches when fully set up, it combines portability with functionality, and it is backed by a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty for added peace of mind. For maintenance, simply wipe with a damp cloth to keep it in top condition. Number 4. VILLEY Camping Side Table. The VILLEY Folding Camp Table is an ultra-lightweight, portable table designed for various outdoor activities such as camping, picnics, and beach outings. With dimensions of 16.14 inch dx 13.39 wx 12.2 h and weighing only 2.1 pounds, this aluminum table is easy to carry and can fit conveniently in a car, RV, or backpack. Its innovative design features a unique metal screw connection with hinges, enhancing stability compared to traditional foldable tables that use bungee cords or plastic nails. The sturdy construction allows it to support up to 66 pounds without the risk of tipping over, making it ideal for cooking or dining. The waterproof and easy-to-clean painted aluminum surface ensures durability and a lasting appearance, while its simple, tool-free assembly makes it quick to set up. Whether for enjoying a cup of coffee at home or sharing a meal outdoors, this versatile table meets various needs effortlessly. Number 5. Alpha Camp Table. The Alpha Camp Portable Folding Table is a versatile outdoor accessory designed for convenience and adaptability, measuring 21.65 inch in depth, 46.46 in width, and standing at an adjustable height of up to 37.8. Constructed from durable aluminum with a sleek imitation stone texture, this lightweight table weighs only 12.3 pounds, 5.6 kilograms, and can support up to 110 pounds. It features a handy mesh pocket for additional storage, accommodating essentials like food, magazines, and electronics. The table's adjustable height allows for use on uneven surfaces and can be easily assembled or folded within minutes, making it ideal for outdoor activities such as picnics, camping, and barbecues. Its stable design includes an X-shaped support for added sturdiness and flexible plastic feet for stability on varied terrain. Moreover, it is waterproof and easy to clean, ensuring longevity and practical use in various settings. Alpharcamp stands firmly behind their product, offering a 90-day warranty and a satisfaction guarantee, emphasizing their commitment to customer service.